This question is pretty straightforward. Given a set of points like this, find the line best fit. The challenge is how to do it on a calculator. So here we go. All right, guys, this question is not that bad. We just had to put the data into the calculator and it pretty much does the rest. So where do we put the data? We click this purple button that says apps and we go to this section that says data/matrix and we press enter. Okay, and then it's going to give us three options. We're going to go to new. We're going to keep everything the same, data, main, and we're going to come down here to variable. They're just saying, what do you want to call this set of data? It really doesn't matter. I'm going to call it A. A is right here, and it's highlighted in white. In order to access the white keys, I got to press alpha first, and then A. So, okay. And now you're going to have three or more columns, right? They just kind of keep going if you keep scrolling left and right. We're going to stick to C1 and C2. C1, this entire column right here is going to be all of our X variables. And C2 is going to be all of our Y variables. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead one by one, putting in our X values and then our Y values. So my first X value is -2. Remember, don't hit negative. Don't hit the minus sign, hit the negative sign. So -2 is our first X value. Enter, then we got 1, enter, 3, enter, 7, enter. So those are all of our X values. Let's go to our Y values. I'm going to go up to 8, enter, let's see, 5, enter, 1, enter, -4, and enter. Okay, good. So we have all the information. Remember, C1 are our X values, C2 are our Y values. So now what we're going to do is we're going to find the line best fit by clicking F5, and it's going to say calculation type. What do you want to do with this data? And right now it just says 2 variables. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll right with this arrow, and I'm going to go down to this thing that says linear regression. It's choice number 5. I'm going to go to linear regression and press enter. And then they're going to say in the next line is, what are your X values? Well, we said our X values were C, here's C, and then 1. You'll see when you click 1 that another letter will pop up because it's putting in this Q value. What we're going to do is we have to go back to the numbers rather than the letters. So we have to click alpha and then click the number. So C1 was our X values. We come down here. C2 were our Y values. And then we're going to go ahead and press enter. And now look what it says for us. It says that Y equals A times X plus B. A is the slope, B is the Y-intercept. And let's see what the slope of this line is. It's -1.3684 whatever. And we only have one choice A, that satisfies this. But just to be sure, let's see what our Y-intercept looks like. Our Y-intercept is 5.579 rounding. And that's the same thing for choice A. So therefore, choice A is our answer.